You are from Philippines and you look like Philippine because Philippine girls are very attractive and very beautiful. Do you know that?
Yes.
What is the secret of Filipino girls' beauty? Beauty secret. I want to know that.
You're from Bangladesh?
Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Sorry for my background. My baby's crying.
So okay, he or she, what?
He, baby boy,
Why
he's
he crying? What is the reason?
I see he wants me to join him.
You do live for fun?
Yeah.
Great, but I'm doing live for improve my English speaking. I am learning English.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
English. You're tutor.
No, I'm not a tutor. I'm a learner. I'm an English learner. I want to be more fluent English speaker. That's why I'm here and talk with further.
Learner.
So it's really great for improving.
Learner. Or you are a teacher.
No, I'm a learner. But I want to be a teacher in future, not now.
You're still studying.
Yeah. Get opportunity to learn English, I will. Your baby is crying and crying, so you should go
Sing
home
Saturday.
and take care of your baby.